Live and direct at PNC Fairfax Connections. I got my older class in here. Not older class, but my adults.
Advanced.
My advanced students in here.
Mature.
I thought this was my last class. It's not. So we're just trying to go over some principles and some practices and trying to get them to learn the tricks of the trade and all my secrets and how I break the rules and how I act up. Graphic design is creating a message visually. So much stuff has been done since 90 to now. It's like, how do we break the rules and break something that somebody hasn't seen already? You know what I'm saying? So that's the challenge, is how do I really innovate something that's going to really catch somebody's eye, that's going to open up a lane for me. And I think the more things that you could do, because it's all related, so understanding photography, you might not have no graphic design gig, but you could jump into grab a camera and just start shooting, or editing video, or so it's like the more things you could do, the more valuable you're gonna be. So I had to like understand, like, okay, I need to learn Final Cut Pro. All right, I need to learn Premiere. All right, I need to learn how to edit video. I need to learn how to do some coding a little bit. But this is the portfolio. This is some stuff I was doing at Time Warner. It's boring. It's difficult. It's not bad, but it's boring. It's difficult to do. It's difficult to be creative and have the people over you like what you're doing. That's the difference. Like, I got people over me that's like maybe complaining and not liking the way stuff is going.
That's awesome. They follow that yellow brick road. Online.
So that's, sometimes you'll come in and you'll crush it. Like, they'll love that.
I mean, they'll give you an idea of what they want, right? They'll give you, what will they give you?
Yeah, they will give you an idea of what you want, what they want, but they might not like it. So it's like, quick. If they don't like it, now we got to go back to the drawing board, and that's what they don't like. They want you to nail it every time.
Okay.
They want you to nail it every time. If we got to go back and forth, that's wasting time, that's wasting money, that's wasting stuff, and that's making you look like you're not in sync with the manager or in sync with what they're doing. If we got to keep going back and forth over stuff. Like, they want to, but I think it's like, if they like you and they love it and they loving you and all of that, you know what I'm saying, then they gonna love everything you do.
Like
if you the black guy with the beard coming in looking like he don't care really, and he's on eBay when I looked over there selling stuff, so he's gonna be like, damn, he's working on jayworking stuff. Because when they not looking, I'm probably working on my jayworking stuff.
Did you see my video I put up the other night? I never video ever.
That live? That's all new?
Yeah.
Good. How you feel?
Well, everybody was like, why were you being so serious? It's like you were looking for words to say.
Well, somebody always got, don't worry about, do this. Right now I want you to be like this.
Okay.
I want you to be like this.
Okay.
I just want you to do your thing.
It felt good.
Exactly. So however your mood is, you could be serious. You're just starting out, so it don't matter. Don't be fancy. Don't worry about what the critics are saying right now, because you're going to have heavy critics. You just starting out, they're going to be all over you, telling you, why you do that? Why you say this? Somebody always going to have something to say. Do this for right now and just create your content. It's all about attitude.
It is. Attitude is good.
I know.
My attitude depends on you.
I could tell you got a better attitude. You're not as bitter like you used to be when we first met.
Hey, don't call her bitter. That's not a curse word to a black
You know what? I'm telling you, and that's why I'm doing this documentary about angry black women. We always get that perception. And I'm soft like a rose petal.
Oh my goodness. Huh?
I do have that.
I was just kidding.
But I do have a standoffish when you first meet me, kind of. I don't know why.
No, it was all love with
It's
me
my
and you.
attitude.
It was love at first sight with me and you.
Sure
I had no problems with you.
Okay, call me bitter again.